Hi guys, this is Faithlyn with Elegance. Want to share with you a few of my DIY for this tablescape. This tablescape is red, black, and white with accent of gold. And I absolutely love this choice of color for Valentine's Day. It just gives me that feeling of richness. We just got out of Christmas season, which is all about glam, fab, just richness, and I'm still in that mode of carrying over from Christmas all the glam. So let me share with you guys what I have here. I love adding black to my red and white. It's just a part of me. I love having that mixture. I don't use a lot of red at Christmas time, so it's always nice to have it at Valentine's Day. Maybe that's the reason why I don't use it very often at Christmas. But this is, let's move these things out the way. This is a DIY. I spray painted the back of the plates because, of course, if I didn't do the back, I wouldn't be able to use the plate. You can't spray the front. You definitely have to spray the underneath. I think the only thing that I regretted is not spraying the glitter first and then spraying it with the gold. But overall, I think the plate turned out really nice. I also have the large ones that I have to do. I didn't want to do this here in this tablescape because I want to do a lot of mixture because of the color combination. So that was a clear plate that I just basically spray painted gold. Then I have a set of these plates that I hauled many years ago from Target, and they had them clearanced out, but they came in boxes. So it's a box of the dinner and the I guess appetizer or dessert, whatever you want to use the small plates for. And so it comes already trimmed in gold. So I thought that was pretty nice to be able to accent the gold plate here, which is actually showing up a little dark than I wanted it, but that's okay because it contrasts with my napkin ring, so it all goes together. Then I have my little bowl. I have a dessert, but I also needed a bowl dessert because many of you know from other videos I've shared that we're doing fondue again this year for Valentine's, and the small bowl is perfect to house our chocolate. So we like to do 3 different kinds of chocolate because Shekinah doesn't like dark chocolate. So we do white chocolate, pink chocolate, and dark chocolate. So the bowl comes in really nicely where we're able to dip from our individual bowls. These wine glass I DIY'd. Just not a big deal, just added some stones to it. I forgot to mention about the napkin. I basically took the Dollar Tree heart that they had and stuck it onto the napkin just to bring in some red, and also because I have only 4 of these black and white napkins. I would have loved to have had 8 of them, but I only could find 4, so I just decided I would mix and match. So these candles, the black and gold, came from Hobby Lobby, and I just think they are the most adorable thing ever. They somewhat matches these water glass that I have because I hauled these from Ross, and I thought about it when I saw them, that they do match the candle I already have. So I thought that would be great. Just put together some roses and a little pick into a little jar that I have. Let's see. And I love these little pear things. They're little containers. And just make it really simple, but add some interest to the table. You guys are familiar with the tree. There's a tutorial I did on preparing this tree for my centerpiece. Just run out to your backyard or to the local park, grab it, spray paint it, and decorate it. Very easy. Everything about this tablescape is easy. The lights came from the Dollar Tree. I shared with you guys the lights. These are the little Dollar Tree heart lights. We did this DIY together. Very simple, but great, elegant statement. Love, love this piece. Just really simple, quick, easy, but yet just a great addition to the table. This section here is going to be our dessert area. And like I mentioned, we normally have like marshmallows, bananas, cookies, different things that we can dip into our chocolate. This will house our marshmallows and probably cookies. Each person will have a pot, a fondue pot, where they can cook all their items that they have chosen. Just wanted to share with you guys the tablescape. It is finished because I shared the centerpiece, and I didn't mention in this video, I mentioned in the tutorial that the heart bowls were, this particular project was inspired by the Z Gallery animal home decor that they're doing for this season. I think it's a clever idea, loved it. So that's why it's incorporated in my Valentine tablescape. Guys, I hope you love the way that this tablescape turned out. If you like it, I ask you give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. I love your support. I love your communication. Thank you guys for sharing with me, for encouraging me. And I hope that you will share with your family and friends and have an amazing Valentine's Day with your family and your loved ones. Thanks again, guys. Have a blessed day.